Welcome to Drop Zone LI. So today we're talking about this particular airdrop called the Alkimiyia Airdrop. So in this video, I'll be showing you all you need to do and know as regards to this particular airdrop. So you ensure you watch this video to the very end. So if today is your first time joining us or you're yet to subscribe to our channel, please you do well to support this channel by subscribing to it. Okay, so you can also join our community as well too. So for a brief introduction for this particular airdrop, this Alkimiyia airdrop, they have raised up to $7.2 million so far for this airdrop, and then it's also confirmed. And also they launched this one on 7th May, so it's still early for us to jump into. Okay, for those that are looking for high quality ones. And then this particular one is kind of a social media based airdrop. So last 2 weeks we made a video on give rep airdrop. Okay, so this particular one is similar to give rep airdrop and also Kaito's airdrop. Okay, so how does it work such that you end by engaging there on the Twitter? Okay, so mainly Twitter and then the Discord as well too, but the main place is the Twitter. So you can just end by engaging these particular people on this Twitter. And to get signed up, so here the link is down in the description. So me, I'm making use of to sign up you need a wallet. Okay, so but me, I'm using my Rabbit wallet to sign up. So I'll just come over here and then connect with my Rabbit wallet. So once you sign up, you will then have access to the main dashboard. Okay, so the link is there in the description. Just go over there, click on it, and then complete this signing up process. Okay, so let's do this together. So almost done with this, so click on sign up. Okay, so let's complete this verification stuff before we could complete the sign up itself. So you watch as I do this. Okay, so in this video I'll be sharing all you need to know, okay, as regards to this particular airdrop. So you ensure you watch this video to the very end. Okay, so almost done with this. Click on motorcycle. Okay, I think we should be done with this one. All right, we are done. So okay, so now this is the main dashboard. So once come over here, first we're going to do is to complete the setup. So let's start with this first one. So click on next level, so then click on here. So we'll be taken to our Twitter page for us to authorize it first. Okay, so we'll complete this whole setups. Okay, just like I say that it's a Twitter and a Discord based airdrop, but the main place is there at the Twitter. Okay, so authorize your Twitter for them to have access to you. So now next we have to do this to click on next level. So now we also authorized our Discord account. Okay, all right, so you watch as we do these things. Okay, click on authorize and then you'll be authorized. So now after we are done with this, we also have to join their, okay, click on here and then click here too. So all right, so now this time around they have to join their Discord page. Okay, so click on accept invitation, and here we are. So now once you come over here, first thing first is to complete the verification process. Okay, just like we normally do in almost all the airdrops. So just come over here, click here and then complete this whole verification process. Okay, so select this, click here and select the right one. All right, so now we are done with the verification. So now let's head over up here to this onboarding. So the rule here is that, okay, click on general, no, nothing here. So click on this onboarding. The rule here is that we have to wait for 24 hours before our account will be verified. Okay, and then we'll be have access to the rules. Okay, so after 24 hours will be assigned a role here. Okay, and then our account will be properly verified. Okay, so but let's just complete this one, having accessed their Discord page. Okay, so that's is for this one. And if you click now on this next level here, say that we have to, claim a role. Okay, so for now, just like I said, we have to wait for after 24 hours before we can have access to this particular one. So you still have to come back here and do this one. Okay, so also come over here, you can click here and also copy your referral link and then share with your friends. Okay, so that's basically what we need to do to set up. Okay, now how do we earn from this particular airdrop? Just like I said, that this particular one is similar to give rep and then characters. So it's a kind of a social media based airdrop that we have to earn by engaging here on the Twitter with this particular ecosystem. So just come over to their Twitter to their Twitter page, come over here and then like, share, comment on all their posts. Okay, and also repost as well too. Okay, by doing this you're engaging with them. So it's not just limited to just liking and sharing their posts. You can also head over to other people's post and then comment on it. You can create a meme and then post whatever thing you can just do to contact. You can do here on Twitter, just do it and then tag them. Okay, by doing that we are pushing yourself for this particular airdrop. Okay, just like we are doing for the give rep on. Okay, that one is still active for those that are engaging on it. Okay, so the more you engage here on the this Twitter platform, whatever post you are doing, whatever content you are doing, ensure that you tag them. Okay, that's what you have to do. Okay, so that as you do that, you more point to be given to you. So for now, this is a new account. I'm here to do anything here, but if I have any progress, I will come over here and share with you guys as well too. Okay, so go ahead and make use of this particular one. Okay, so engage them via the Twitter and then ensure to go back to Discord and then check out some few things there. Okay, to claim your roles. Okay, so now that's all for this particular video. So if you have any question, please do it to ask there in the comment section. I will do it to answer all your questions. Okay, please, if you're yet to support this channel by subscribing, please you subscribe to this channel and then support what we are doing as well. So you can as well share and like our video. All right, so thank you so much and see you when there is more updates on this particular one. I will ensure that you guys have it. Bye for now.